Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making some pineapple ginger drink. This is very popular. When I was growing up back home in Jamaica, every Sunday it was pineapple ginger drink. Now these are the three ingredients. You can use lemon or lime and add to it. It's a matter of option, but I use the golden yellow sugar because I don't like it too dark. When I make my pineapple ginger drink, I like it to have that yellow, not brown color. So I'm going to be using some ginger and pineapple. Now, I don't like to waste food, so I use the skin from my pineapple and I boil water and I soak it. I strip my ginger as much as I can get possible off, and then I do the same. I chop them or I beat them and I put them in the pot of water so that it gets seeped, like when you're making tea. So I have a pot of water here on the stove that I'm waiting to boil, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my pineapple. So I have cut the top and the bottom from the pineapple, and I cut it in 4, which makes it easier to peel. Now, one of the main reasons why I use the skin is because I find it gives it a much more, like a stronger pineapple taste. I have made it both ways. I have made it with just the inside, like just the pineapple on the inside, and it doesn't taste as strong. So today I'm going to be using some of the pineapple on the inside and all of the skin because this is good. All right, see? Now you can tell that I'm going to use all of this. But I'll leave some pieces for the kids to eat. So my pineapple was getting overripe, which it's going to be perfect for this drink. This is what's left from my pineapple after cutting it up. I have a nice little bowl here. I know the kids are going to enjoy it because this is sweet. It's sweet pineapple. Okay, now I cut them in cubes like that. And literally this is what the skin looks like. Now, if you have a fruit brush, before you cut your pineapple, make sure you wash it properly. All right. So that's it. As soon as the water starts to boil, I'm gonna pour them in. I'm gonna strip my ginger now and add it to this mixture here. Now when I say to strip the ginger, this is what I mean. You're gonna grab, I like to do it with larger pieces because it's easier to hold, and I use a paring knife. You can use a spoon. I find it easier for me this way. So you can go in between like these little areas when you have a pointed knife. This is one piece that I have done. So chances are you'll end up having little pieces left, but that's okay. Now that I've finished stripping the ginger, I'm gonna cut it real thin, and I am going to add it to this, which is a pineapple skin that I have sitting here. So right. Now that I've cut it up nice, some are in strips. My water is boiling. Ooh. I'm gonna put it in the water, turn the stove off, cover it, and let it seep, just like when you're making tea. Right, so this is gonna draw majority of the nutrients. I'm gonna leave it there for until it's literally cool, and then I'll blend. Okay, so after I have the pineapple juice seep in the hot water, I went ahead and poured in my blender, and I'm using a Vitamix, and I'm gonna blend it. Okay, now let's strain it off. After I strained this, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this. I'm gonna squeeze them out later on. I'm just trying to get the excess amount of the trash from the ginger and the pineapple. Now this is my straining process. This is a nut milk bag. I guess you can get it on Amazon. I don't remember the name of the store that I got mine, but it's like a small store here in Woodbridge. So it's easier if I had a cup doing, but I'm actually gonna strain it off again. So I put it in the bag, and believe me, it strains it so much easier, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do with the pulp when I'm done with this. So after I have gotten pulp out and everything, and I've strained it a couple of times, I'm gonna add my brown sugar and sweeten. Now remember, all of y'all sweeten for your taste bud, right? So no measurement around here. It's just mix until sweet, and then after I'm done, I'm gonna go back with my bag and I'm gonna strain it so that the dregs from the sugar, this is what it looks like. The dregs from the sugar is not in the drink. There you have it, my pineapple ginger drink, complete, sweetened and everything. So what I did was I just used the brown sugar to sweeten it. Like I said, it's optional. You can probably squeeze a little lemon juice or lime juice if you choose, but for me it's straight up pineapple ginger with brown sugar.